Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Info Master, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today we're diving into a nostalgic yet modern beast, Chevrolet's 2025 Colorado vintage pickup. This vehicle brings a perfect blend of retro charm and cutting-edge features. Let's break it all down for you. Chevrolet has taken the classic pickup design and revitalized it for modern drivers. The Colorado Vintage is a tribute to the pickups of yesteryear, with a touch of futuristic refinement. You'll notice it immediately in its exterior design. At first glance, the iconic boxy silhouette nods to its heritage, but closer inspection reveals aerodynamic lines that improve performance and efficiency. The timeless two-tone paint job paired with retro staff wheels brings just the right level of nostalgia without sacrificing modern aesthetics. The front of the Colorado Vintage is an instant head-turner. It features a bold, wide grille with horizontal chrome slats that take you back to the 70s. LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the design, giving it a contemporary edge. The vintage-style badging further solidifies its old-school meets modern vibe. Moving along the sides, strong character lines add depth, while flared wheel arches give it a muscular stance. The side mirrors are crafted with a retro shape, but are packed with modern tech, including blind spot monitoring and auto-dimming. At the back, you'll find a classic tailgate with embossed Chevrolet lettering, an homage to its roots. The tail lights, while retro-inspected in shape, are equipped with advanced LED technology for maximum visibility. The bed itself is functional and durable, featuring spray-in-bed liners and tie-down hooks to handle any heavy-duty tasks with ease. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers a turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine that produces a robust 310 horsepower and 390 AFT of torque. The smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery. Thanks to its finely tuned suspension and all-terrain tires, the Colorado Vintage is just as comfortable on city streets as it is on rugged trails. Towing capacity, you're looking at an impressive 7,700 pounds, more than enough to haul your weekend toys. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a thoughtfully crafted cabin that mixes vintage flair with modern luxury. Leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching are both supportive and stylish. A digital instrument cluster sits behind a classic 3-spoke steering wheel, blending old and new seamlessly. The 10.3-inch infotainment touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and a premium sound system for the ultimate driving soundtrack. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado Vintage pickup starts at around $45,000. Considering its blend of style, performance, and utility, it's competitively priced for the midsize pickup market. But what really sets it apart is its unique selling point. It's a modern-day pickup with the soul of a vintage classic. If you're someone who loves nostalgia but refuses to compromise on modern tech and performance, this is your truck. And that wraps up our breakdown of the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado Vintage pickup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Info Master for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for our next review. Until then, happy driving.